Hello, fellow dividend investors. It's that dividend guy. I want to start it off by saying happy Friday. I hope everybody had a GGD, a great green day in the market. So today, Friday, end of the week, is the only day that I think we've broke even at all. Let's take a quick look real fast at how the portfolio's done, and then the individual stocks. And then the stocks that I've added or subtracted from the watch list because I do that probably too much, but whatever. Um, so we're down $11 today, but then we're up $144, so almost a percent after hours. Whoop whoop! That's the first green we've had all week. All right, and then for the week we're down almost $1,300. Ooh, for the month we're down 14. For the 3 month mark we're down almost 16, down 16. For the year though. Sorry, I didn't even click Johnson & Johnson. For the year, that was the news. Year, we're up 537, and all time, we're up 504. So we're doing all right, minus the Johnson & Johnson. So short term, guys, we are from the week to the 3 month, we're down. But everything else, we're up. So we're kind of, it looks like we're kind of bouncing back, which that's good. Let's look at the individual stocks. Altria Group. All right, $41. 98 shares, $4,000 of equity, 45.30 is our average cost. Then 26% of the portfolio is in Altria stock. So today we're up $67. Total we're down $422. Not worried about it. Defensive. It's a defensive play. It's good in bad market conditions, so I'm not too worried about it. Next, we have Coca-Cola, $53.96. Still not at my average price, down $1 today. 17 shares, about $100, $900 of equity, 51 tons of average cost. 6% of the portfolio is in Coca-Cola stock. We're down 16 today, up 48 total. Then we have AT&T, 62 shares, $2,200 of equity, 31 tons our average cost, 1466. So almost 15% of the portfolio is in AT&T stock, down $6 today, up 280 long term. So we're still up on that. Then we have AbbVie. They kind of came back down to earth as well, but not far enough for me to buy. 60 shares, 51, almost $5,200 of equity, 72.22 is our average cost. 34% of the portfolio is in AbbVie stock, up 62 today, up 853 total. And then SKT, we're down on this one, but I'm not worried about it. It's a cheap stock. I can buy a decent amount with any dividend payment that I get. 13 shares, $155. See, so nothing. Then $14 is about 14. It's about $14 for our average cost. 1% of the portfolio is an SKT, so like I said, really minuscule, not really a big position. 13 cents up today, down 25 total. Then we have Target. We are down 262 today. 10 shares, $1,000 of equity in Target. 87.68 is our average cost. I don't know if it's ever going to get back down to that low. I might just bite the bullet at like 80 or something. Excuse me, at like 90, 92 to 95, because I don't think I'm going to get that low again. About 7% of the portfolio is in Target stock, down $26 today, up 153 total. Then ExxonMobil's up today, $1.62. Awesome. 29 shares, $1,500 of equity, 73.50 is our average cost, so we're way down on this one. About 10% of the portfolio is in ExxonMobil stock, up 57 today, down 629 total. Then we have Walgreens, we're down 48 cents today. 1 share, 45.76 is our equity, 54.60 is our average cost. 0.3% of the portfolio is in Walgreens stock, so nothing. Lost 48 cents today, down 884 total. So that's the portfolio. We had some green today. That's the first time I think since the beginning of the week we've had green on 3 of the stocks, which is great. Then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stocks. That's crazy. We only had 2 earlier this week. All right. So did I get rid of anything? Did I change anything up? Those are all the same. I did add Carnival because they're at 34. They're about the same price as AT&T, but they got slammed by the scares, so that's why I added them to the watch list. I probably will not be investing in them. They don't have good growth at all for their dividend, but they're a pretty good value stock right now. From what I saw earlier, they're at 34, 58, so they're down 24 bucks a share. That seems like a value to me anyway. So they're at the bottom of their 52-week range, and they do pay a decent dividend of 50 cents, about like what I said about what AT&T pays. So it's just the growth isn't there, so I might not invest in them. And then I did add Home Depot because they just had a 10% raise in their for their dividend this year. I think this quarter they bumped it by 10%, so that is added to the watch list. So, in the stocks that I really do want to add, O would be one of them. Kimberly. Oh, well, I'll do Pepsi before I do Kimberly Clark. Colgate. I want Lowe's. Um, if I'm doing, I'll pick two for each month. How's that? So I do Pepsi and Kimberly Clark. Then I would want probably Lowe's. I'll take Colgate and Procter and Gamble, and then I will take Waste Management and uh, I'll do Johnson and Johnson and Home Depot, but Waste Management's really close there. So those would be the ones that I'd buy if I had the cash. So right now I'm in between jobs. I don't have a lot of cash to be putting in the market, which sucks. I did have an interview, and I'll let you guys know how that goes. I should know by like Monday or Tuesday of next week. And then they do give you like 48 hours a week, I think. So I should be getting 8 hours a week extra on overtime. So it should be like extra 24 hours, something like that. Um, of overtime, which that overtime will then go into my portfolio. So hopefully by the end of middle of next month, I should have money coming in. If not, I'm just gonna transfer over $1,000. I have the money. I'm just kind of waiting to see how this the correction goes. So I just want to say thank you so much, guys. I'm getting like 100 views a video, which to me is insane. I started this in middle of October, I believe, of last year. So November, December, January, February. So like 5 months. I have over 8,000 views, over 100, I think, and 50 or 60 subscribers now. It's just insane to me. So thank you so much for all the support. I really do appreciate it. I'm making these videos so I have like a video diary of my investing history and mistakes, and like just kind of documenting it all for myself and for my kids. I doubt they're gonna watch every video. That's a lot of content. But it's just fun to hit milestones. you know, Talk to people about different stocks. It's just I love doing this, so it's just a passion of mine. So I'm very thankful for the platform that I've created here on YouTube, and I've talked to a lot of great people. I've met a lot of people on Instagram. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's at that dividend guy. Same name as the channel. Feel free to hit me up, talk to me about stocks, what you bought, with the correction, that type of thing, anything stock related or personal, whatever. I don't mind talking to people. So feel free to hit me up on there as well. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for the growth. Thank you so much for the consistency and the comments, and just supporting the channel. It really means a lot. But I will be posting again on Monday. I'm taking the weekend off. I'm hanging out with my niece, and I believe I'm gonna watch some wrestling over the weekend. So gonna have some fun. I'll see you guys on Monday with another dividend investing video. Let's hope that the market stays down, because I love these deals. I just wish I could jump on them. But like I said, if you guys bought anything, let me know in the comments below. I'm really excited to hear what people bought. So yeah, I'll see you guys Monday. Take care, and I'll post again then on Monday. So I'll see you then, okay?